On Game Show Network, anyone can win terrific prizes like this. Broyhill's Home Office Armoire conserves space and fulfills home office needs. Wraparound doors, pull-outs for keyboard from Broyhill.
Put the channel setting on your television. Okay, memorize the number. This is your lucky number for the rest of the day. Keep it tuned to Game Show Network and good things will follow.
Welcome to another edition of Our Kurt Presents as February Fireworks continues. Wow! Today we are still honoring Dionne Warwick. Tomorrow we'll be honoring the fabulous Gary Moore when Dionne Warwick hosts Long Ago. And this song will be played. But we'll be back after these messages.
Honey, you're going to be just beautiful tomorrow.
A Coke and a smile.
Okay, everybody, let's get this rehearsal going.
Makes me feel good. That's the way it should be. And I'd like to see the whole world smiling with me. Have a Coke and a smile.
Share the beauty of a rainbow from K-Tel, the soft sounds of today's music. Also includes Deja Vu and Yes, I'm Ready. Plus Do Right and Half the Way. Rainbow, in tune with the 80s. Share it with someone special. Available at these and other fine stores.
Moving on, jeans with the fit, jeans for your fashion. Moving on, jeans, style stretch for miles in your direction. Jeans that make them stop and stare. Moving on will take you anywhere. Moving on, jeans. Levi's moving on jeans for guys with a fashion. Levi's moving on.
Make it happen, make it true. Take something old and make it new. Make it special all around the town. And when special things are happening, bring Burger King along. Yeah, special things from Burger King. Keep good times going strong. Make it hot, make it fresh. Here's to you who make it best. Make it special, make it Burger King.
I'm gonna make it. This time I've got a chance. I'm gonna show them. They're gonna see the way that I can dance.
It's so hard, but when the hard part's through,
that's when I go for something easy,
like A and W. Nothing so smooth as A and W. Nothing so smooth as A and W.
Okay, ladies, let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Here come Jazz Babies. Diva Canvas Oxfords, specially priced $11. All that fun, all that fashion, all that Beta. $11.
7, 8, 5.
Beta nylon jazz bags, $4. Jazz Babies.
Yay, Mom! I took my time to choose small.
Get all the sports news instantly. Dial 976-1313.
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 When you can't get to the game, get to the phone.
Do your homework.
Oh, Mom.
Wear your raincoat.
Oh, Mother.
Later, after we eat. You want to be soft. You gotta be firm. There's a right time for snacks, and I say when. Then I insist on Hostess, because they're always so fresh. Chocolatey cupcakes, tender fruit pies, golden Twinkie snack cakes with green filling. Fresh, wholesome Hostess meets my tough standards. So when I say yes, it's Hostess.
When it's time for a thicker, chunky chocolate bar, but all you have is a thin chocolate bar, and you really want to bite into the deep, rich chocolate taste of Chunky, you could try to build your own Thickerer Chunky. But it won't work, because Thickerer is more than the way Chunky looks. Thickerer is the way Chunky tastes. Chunky, 4 delicious varieties.
What have you?
I never felt a fit like Juju. My Juju clothes, they touch me so close. They fit me like I had 'em painted on. Yeah, Juju, Juju I want. Oh, Juju, Juju, oh, Juju.
You're the Pepsi generation, and that Pepsi spirit shines right through. Catch that Pepsi spirit, drink it in, drink it in, drink it in. Catch that Pepsi spirit, drink it in, drink it in, drink it in.
Buy any 3 of these 2-liter bottles and get a coupon for 1 free. See details at participating stores.
Fall is the time to give you and your lawn a green thumb for as little as $1.95 a week. Call Lawn Doctor now. We're in the white pages.
I've been down here. I fell in the sewer.
Barney Miller coming this fall on 11 Alive.
Honey, you're going to be just beautiful tomorrow.
A Coke and a smile.
Okay, everybody, let's get this rehearsal going.
Makes me feel good. That's the way it should be. And I'd like to see the whole world smiling with me. Have a Coke and a smile.
Well, that's our show for today. Our February fireworks continues all month long. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.